What's up YouTube, it's your boy James back with another video, and today we have an early in-hand look at the Jordan 3 Varsity Royal. Before we kick off this video, if you could do those things I like and smash that like button, it really does help with the YouTube algorithm and puts my videos out in front of more people. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. So these Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royals dropped over in the UK a while back. And at the time of this recording, the rumored release date for the US is in the middle towards the end of October. Although I haven't been able to find anything to confirm that. But everything on the internet is pointing towards October for the release of these shoes. I did order these from StockX, and they took about 4 weeks for them to come in the mail. And the wait time was a little bit frustrating, but I did want to get a pair of these in hand. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, do a review, and do an on feet for you guys so that you can decide on if you want to pick these up in October or not. I recently did a video all on StockX versus GOAT, and if you want to check that video out, I'll leave a link up there for that. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so these come in your standard black retro Air Jordan box with the red Jumpman with the elephant print bottom. And this is a personal pair, size 8, and the size tag reads Varsity Royal, Varsity Royal, Varsity Royal. Alright, here we got my StockX receipt, and I paid $2.50 for these, out the door. And then here's like a StockX thing thanking me for my purchase. Alright, so starting out here, you do have your like elephant print wax paper. Got a StockX sticker that comes in a box. The inside of the box is red. Right here you have your StockX hang tag to verify the authenticity of this item. And this comes with 2 pairs of laces, so you get the black pair that comes on the shoes, you get a white pair, and a Varsity Royal blue pair. So that's pretty cool to have options. These are very, very, very similar to the red Unite pairs that came out during NBA All-Star Weekend. Right off the top, the main differences that I could see here is the branding. On the red pair, it had Nike Air. And this just has the Jordan Jumpman with Air on the back of the shoe. But overall, I mean, like, they're pretty similar. These also remind me of the DJ Khaled, exclusive shoes that he had. But I do have to say, in hand, these are pretty nice. Like, they're better than the pictures so far. Alright, so let's not waste any more time. Let's take an up-close look at the Jordan 3 Varsity Royal. Okay, so here is our first up-close look at the Air Jordan 3 Varsity Royal. Starting out, you have that all-blue leather upper. Then you have your gray eyelids And in the middle of the shoe you have black ones. Back here you have like this like mesh material. And then you have your gray and black elephant print. And you have your black painted part right here, which that's actually pretty well done. There's no marks or anything like that that I can see. Then you have your white midsole with your air pocket down here. And here's your front toe box. You do get that elephant print that goes around. Now this is the one thing that's been kind of bothering me about the shoes. Since the red pair had the, Nike Air on the back, this is sort of bothering me. I mean, I know it's not that big of a deal, and like I'll probably get over it, but if there's one thing that I don't like so far, it's the Jordan Jumpman instead of the Nike Air back here. And here you have your tongue with your blue Jordan Jumpman with your black laces. And like I said earlier, these do come with 2 extra set of laces, a blue pair and a white pair. And since these are currently unreleased in the United States, I picked these up on StockX, so here's your StockX verified authentic tag. Inside the shoes you have a gray sock liner, and you have that white Jumpman inside. Behind the tongue it is Varsity blue, and here's a shot of the tag. The leather on these is kind of soft. I mean, you could tell by the way that I'm squeezing it that, there's not a lot of stiffness here. On the bottom of the shoe, you have this all gray panel that goes all the way around the bottom of the shoe. And then you have your blue Varsity Royal pod. In the middle of the shoe, you have this white panel with Jordan and Varsity blue. Now, these do come with black laces already on the shoes, and I think I'm going to leave those on there. I really like the way that they look. I may swap out to the white ones later. The blue ones are probably too much blue, but maybe I could throw those on a different pair of shoes later on. So maybe that's something to consider if you buy these shoes. Alright, now let's get into some on feet action.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Overall, this is a pretty dope shoe. I really do like the colorway. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 7.5. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think. Is this something that you're going to be going after in October when it drops? Whether you love it or hate it, drop a comment down below and let me know. Before you bounce out, if you could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me. It really does help the channel grow, guys. And if you're new or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. We're on that road to 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have been showing out. And if you're new, please consider joining the channel. And until next video, peace.